Good morning and welcome back to Area 31. I'm lost. That's where the video ended about 12:30 yesterday afternoon. I was lost. I'm still lost. Let's go outside and have a look around. I think I'm around Mississippi and Alabama border area. Not seeing any toothpicks popping up telling me, that's what I call them, telling me where I'm at. So 2 minutes later, suddenly the toothpicks pops up right there, and we see Keesler Air Force Base. I looked this up, and this is the town of Biloxi, Mississippi. So that's where we're at. We got the active pause on. Let's get that off. So I now finally know where I'm at, and I was pretty close to what I thought. So let's straighten the plane out. Sensitive. Here above it. That's what I like. That's the view I like right there. Okay. So we're flying again. Let's go ahead and start turning this way. We will be heading towards the Mississippi-Alabama border, and then Pensacola, Florida will be coming up pretty quick. I really wanted to go in and check out Mobile, Alabama, and the area of, before you get to Mobile, you come up to not Bodega Bay. What am I thinking? That was years ago. Anyway, or I say a lot of videos ago, Bodega Bay. Biola Battery. When I was a kid growing up, there was a wonderful TV show on. It only lasted for 2 years. Let's let off the stick and see what this thing's gonna do. Ugh! I'm about to crash here. Come on. Anyway, I don't have very good control right now. Anyway, I'm having to hold it to the right. What's going on here? Do something stupid? Yeah, I guess it's going to be okay now. I let go of it. So years and years ago, when I was about 12 years old, there was a TV show called Moving On, and it was about these gypsy truck drivers, and they would travel everywhere in this truck, semi. Anyway, one of my favorite episodes of the whole TV show was season 2, and it was called Full Fathom 5, and they were in the Biola Battery area visiting with one of Sonny's old friends. Anyway, I don't want to spoil the whole show, but it's all filmed on location. And it's filmed right there at Biola Battery, Alabama. So I was going to get up here so far and take a turn up into the Biola Battery area, but I don't think I'm going to. Ocean Springs. That's going to be a video for another day. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to be approaching the Biola Battery area, and then finally Pensacola, Florida, and then onto the Florida Panhandle, and we'll be exploring Florida. Well, I've reached the border of Alabama and Florida Panhandle. This basically is the border right here, and we see Pensacola right up here. Pretty big city there. Okay, my airport is in sight. The sun is just in time. Just in time. Anyway, so the name hasn't popped up yet, but that's it right there. I can just tell by this lake, and I'm coming in over the land. So that's going to be the airport right there. So we're kind of in line with it. Got pretty lucky on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and save the game. And and then we'll be back as we